Give me less than 90 seconds and I'm gonna help you delete your fear of posting content for good. Because if you're being honest with yourself, the real reason why you're not posting content isn't because you don't know how, but because you're afraid of being judged, of being misunderstood, of putting something out there that is actually you. And I know that feeling really well.
Hey, what's up? This is Caleb from Mass Muscle TV.
This was me in high school. I was that super awkward kid, incredibly nervous and terrified to put myself out there. I was just trying to figure it out. But then I started to get a little bit more comfortable. And over time, I got better at being more myself.
I feel like so many people that go to these shows, like really appreciate the music, right? But they don't fully understand, like, you guys are crashing in here, man.
To the point where I feel like I'm bringing quite a bit of who I am to my videos. People see my content and assume the way I show up now came natural from the start. It did not. When I started making content, it was extremely uncomfortable, but I just decided to keep pushing through. And every time that I came back to make new content in a new niche, I gained more and more confidence. Confidence in being me. You can't just wait for confidence to build on its own. You have to build confidence by taking action. And so I'm giving you permission to take action. Post the content, even if it scares you.